Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. Monday 8th of December, I hope you're doing good. Happy New Week to all of you guys. Today, oh my god, this one is really cool. Two lines that are gonna change something on your site that you can't believe. Even my computer gets excited. Let's just jump into Bricks. Today, we're actually not jumping into the builder. We're gonna put our CSS directly in the setting of Bricks. But what is the CSS I'm talking about? Well, I came across this article from WebKit where it says, 2 lines of cross-document view transitions code you can use on every website today. I was like, what do they mean? Well, basically, if you put those 2 lines of CSS, it actually allows you to have a sort of crossfade effect when you click from one page to another. What happened is that every element that are common from one page to another will stay displaying in the screen, while the rest of the content will actually be crossfading from one to another. I think is genius. So let me just show you. I already set it up on my website, but you can just go to settings here, then go to custom code, then go to custom CSS, and this is where you're gonna put the CSS. You can find the CSS in the space, of course, and then we're just gonna go all the way down and save settings. All right, let's see where we are. So we are here on the home page, and when I'm gonna go to Merry Christmas, you're gonna see there is no flash whatsoever for the header, and it's just transitioning smoothly from one page to another with a crossfade. Do you see that? It's so awesome. In the article, of course, they explain you that you can change the effect, etc. I will link everything in the companion article of the video, so you can use it as much as you want. I think it's a great feature, and I thought it was a great one to start the week. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be very happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Tricks for Bricks. And as usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!